aim in life. This is M circle, M rock. This is a N rock. This M shows aim. This N shows in. Next life. This is F rock. This is the I sign, which shows a life. Our complete phrase aim in life. Next aim and objects. Aims. This is M stroke. This is a circle which shows aim, aims, and is omitted objectives. This is B stroke. This is a V hook. This is a circle. This is V, which shows objectives. Next aim and objects. This is M stroke. This is a circle which shows aims and is omitted objects. This is B stroke. This is a circle which shows objects. Next aim and objects of education. This is M stroke. This is a circle which shows aims and is omitted objects. This is B stroke. This is a circle which shows objects of is omitted. Next education. This is the education. Understand it as a short form of education. Next air marshal. This is a R stroke which shows here. Next marshal. This is M stroke which shows marshal. This is equal sign which shows that we write A capital and M capital. Next air travel. This is R stroke. R stroke which shows up here. This stroke is a long travel. This is a V stroke. This is L hook which shows the travel. Air vice marshal. This is R stroke. This is V stroke. This is a circle which shows this V and S shows a vice. Next marshal. This is M stroke which shows marshal. This is equal sign which shows M capital, V capital and A capital. Alexa mask. This is L stroke which shows L. Aksa. This is K stroke. This is a circle which shows Aksa. Next mask. This is M stroke. This is a circle. This is K stroke. M S Q. It basically K, not Q. This is K, which shows mask. This is equal sign which shows M capital, A capital, and A capital. This A. This M, which shows these whole words are capital.